Have you ever made progress on your weight loss journey only to celebrate with food that ends up stalling your results? If that's you, stay tuned and let's talk about it. Hey everyone, I'm Rochelle and welcome back to Modestly Fit, where we're putting a difference with getting fit modestly. And today we're talking about something that's so easy to fall into, and it can completely stall your progress. Using unhealthy foods as a reward after you've made progress. So first thing, recognizing self-sabotage. Self-sabotage in weight loss isn't always obvious. Sometimes it shows up as treating yourself after a good weigh-in or a week of clean eating. The problem though is that reward can be high in calories and it can erase all the hard work you've put in. And it can take days to get back to where you are. And in a recent video, I talked about going on vacation, and that's something I did. Now, I know that I did stall some of my progress, but if you don't know how to bounce back, that can really affect you emotionally, and it can affect you mentally, and it can really stall your progress. And it can discourage you from going forward on your weight loss journey. So why do we do it? There's a reason this happens. And for many of us, food has always been tied to celebrations, birthdays, even small wins. And when you've been eating in a calorie deficit, your body and your brain want relief. And that's when you get thoughts like, I've been doing so good, I deserve this. But that one decision can spiral into a weekend of overeating. So let's talk about the impact. So the reality of it is progress slows or stops, cravings get stronger, consistency gets broken, and you get stuck in a reward, guilt, restriction cycle. And we don't want to be in that cycle. So let's talk about healthier ways to celebrate. So what can you do instead? Reward yourself with non-food win. New workout gear, a spa day, a new water bottle, or go out on a fun day trip if you're constantly working and really don't have time to go out. You can also track your progress visually with photos and measurements, and you can keep these celebrations without undoing your progress. All right, so we're going to talk about breaking the pattern. If this sounds familiar, here's the action plan. Identify your triggers. Is it stress? Is it the weekend? Or is it certain events? So plan your celebrations ahead of time so they're intentional and not impulsive. And practice the pause and reflect rule. Ask yourself, will this help or hurt my long-term goal? And if you do have a treat, keep it portion controlled and move right back into your routine. All right, so I'm gonna leave you with this. Remember, your progress is the reward. Your progress is the reward. Confidence, that's what you've worked for. Protect it like an investment because you've earned it. Sometimes when things come to mind, I like to write things down on my refrigerator. So when I'm walking past it or if I'm going to the refrigerator, I can look at little affirmations and notes that I leave to myself. And something that I wrote, and I write it on the little magnet here. And I wrote, I commit to not undoing my hard work with choices that take me away from my goals. If I slip, I recover quickly and keep moving forward. And this is something I want you to implement as well. Make a commitment to yourself. Commit to yourself that you're not going to undo all of your hard work with choices that take you away from your goals. And if you slip, like if you go on vacation, don't quit, don't stop, keep showing up. And remind yourself, you'll recover quickly and keep moving forward. So we're going to stop the self-sabotage. We're going to find rewards and celebrate our progress with non-food win. We don't want to ruin our progress, okay? And even if you slip, like I said, tell yourself, I'm going to recover from this and I'm going to recover quickly and I'm going to keep moving forward. That's a commitment I made to myself. Hopefully you can make the same commitment to yourself. So let's stay strong, let's stay covered, let's stay confident, and let's get fit modestly.